Okay, quick wheel bearing job over here for the Nissan Xterra. We'll remove the caliper. There's only 2 screws in the back. This one and one in the bottom. Screw number 1 and then the one right here in the bottom. So make sure you don't put any force on the brake line. So always hang your caliper. So remove this pin and then this nut over here. The pin and the nut is off. So right now I need to remove 4 bolts in the back. And after that, we could take the whole entire wheel bearing hub. So make sure to use a breaker bar because this will make your life easier. All the bolts are off. Now just take a hammer and just hit it. Just gonna hit it out. There you go, everything's out. So for this car, the ABS sensor was actually soldered in here. So it doesn't have this connector. So what I'm going to do is remove this ABS and use the existing ABS. Now we just still keep this one just in case for future reference. If I need new ABS, I would just swap it with this one. Okay, so these are the new bolts and they come with Loctite. I always like to add Loctite just in case. Make sure you have a torque wrench. I installed the back screw at 44 foot-pounds and the front one at 101 foot-pounds. Extremely important, don't forget your pin. Make sure you bend your pin. Now the only thing left is to put the disc, the caliper, and the wheels. The rotors are on. Now the caliper. So your final step, trash the whole wheel bearing and job completed.